BODMAS. To do the simplification, we should always carry out the operations in the order of each letter of the word BODMAS. Verb B4 brackets. O4 of. D division. M multiplication. A addition, and S for subtraction. So always to do the simplification, we carry out the operations in the order of the letters in the order of each letter of the word BODMAS. Okay, for example, let's do an example. 12 minus 4 into 5 plus 36 divided by 9 plus 8. Okay, so here which comes first in the word BODMAS? So this is subtraction, multiplication, yes, M, addition, division, addition. So in the word BODMAS, which letter comes first? So you can see that division. So you must do the division first. Okay, so how will you write this? 12 minus 4 into 5 plus. Now you do this division. 36 divided by 9. It is 4. So instead of that you can write 4. And last is plus 8. Okay. Next is multiplication. So here we have the operation subtraction, multiplication, addition, addition. So which letter comes first in the word BODMAS? M. Okay. So do that operation. So 12. Okay. Now here minus 4 into 5. 4 into 5 is 20 plus 4 plus 8. Okay. Next we have subtraction, addition, addition. So we do the operation addition. Okay. So you can do subtraction also, no problem. So at that time you have to consider this is not, you have to take the number minus 20. Okay. Or otherwise you do the operation addition first. So we have this 12 minus 20, add these two. Don't add this 20 plus 4, that is, it is actually minus 20, okay. So here you can add 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12, okay. And next is 12 minus 20 plus 12. Or otherwise you can do the operation addition first. So you can see that 12 plus 12. What is 12 plus 12? It is, or otherwise you can just rearranging the letters 12. First you write plus, then minus. Okay, so 12 plus 12 is 24. Last is minus 20. So 24 minus 20 is 4. So the answer is 4. Now let's do the another problem. 1 divided by bracket. Okay, so 1 plus 1 divided by 1 more bracket, 1 plus 1 divided by 1 more bracket, 1 plus 1 divided by 2. Close these 3 brackets. Now how will you simplify this? So you have to open the inner bracket first. So here you can see that there are 3 brackets. So BODMAS, according to BODMAS rule, we have to open the bracket first. So there are 3 brackets. Okay. So let's open the inner bracket first. So this is equal to 1 divided by this 1 plus 1 divided by this bracket, that is 1 plus 1 divided by. Now we open this bracket. So in this bracket there are 2 operations. One is addition, other one is division. So we know that D comes first in the word BODMAS. So we use the operation division first. Okay, so we have 1 in this bracket. We have, so before opening the bracket, let's do this, let's simplify this. Okay, so again we put the same bracket because we have 2 operations. We are doing only 1 operation here. So 1 plus 1 divided by 2, so that can be written as 1 by 2. Okay, now close this bracket. Now let's open the inner bracket here. So we have the square bracket, this 1 plus 1 divided by, and this braces, and 1 plus 1 divided by, now let's do the operation in the inner bracket because there is only one operation. 1 plus 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. So we have opened the bracket, the small bracket. So let's close the bracket, the braces and the square bracket. Okay. Now we will open the bracket, this braces. Okay. So here there are two operations. So let's do one operation here. So 1 divided by square bracket, 1 plus 1 divided by, again we put the bracket, and that is 1 plus 1. So we do the operation first, the division. So 1 plus, so division of fractions, we write that is 1. To divide a number by a fraction, we do the operation, we multiply by its reciprocal. The reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. Okay, so we have 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by, don't write 1 plus 1 is 2 here, okay, that's important. So again let's do this bracket, so that is 1 plus, now multiplication, let's do multiplication first. So it is 1 into 2 by 3, it is 2 by 3. Okay, now 1 divided by the square bracket, 1 plus 1 divided by, now what is 1 plus 2 by 3? 1 plus 2 by 3 is 3 plus 2 by 3, that is 5 by 3. So we have opened this bracket. Now 1 divided by, so here in the square bracket we have two operations, plus and division. So we'll do division first. So 1 plus 1, that is division of fraction. So we multiply by its reciprocal. The reciprocal of 5 by 3 is 3 by 5. So we have 1 divided by this 1 plus 1 into 3 by 5 is 3 by 5. Okay. Now 1 divided by, that is 5 into 1 into 5, 5 plus 3. So it is 1 divided by 8 by 5. That is 1 into reciprocal of 8 by 5, that is 5 by 8. So 1 into 5 by 8 is 5 by 8. So the answer is 5 by 8.